Ciao Ducatisti! This is Sam from District Ducati. Hey, on December 14th, we have our Ducati open house, holiday open house going on, where we'll have food, music, games, door prizes, raffles, things like that. Also, the Desmo Owners Club will be signing up people, and they'll have their meeting here. And at that same time, they'll sign you up, and you'll get a free T-shirt along with the membership. So we'll see you on the 14th. For all our accessories, gear, apparel, exhaust, for your Ducati motorcycle, we will have 20% off, discounted, just for you on that day. So please join us on the 14th.